Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Corbyn Besson with the song called Like That. So this is featuring Armani White here. We had two chords only, it goes back and forth, very easy. And we don't need a capo for this one, so let's take a look at the two chords. We have the E major 7, so it goes open E, second A, first D, first G, open B, and open E. And the second to last chord will be the B major 7. So that's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the second fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. That's enough. And then you need to add 4th on D, 3rd on G, and 4th on B. Yeah, so there you have the chords from E to the B, and we're gonna do a string pattern that goes 4 downs. So you're gonna play 4 downs, that's one round, and you're gonna emphasize the 3rd down in the way you play bass strings there on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down, but on the 3rd you go down and play a little bit on the higher notes down here. So bass, bass, top, bass. This. So one round is bass, bass, top, bass. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord, and you do that back and forth through the entire song, and that's it. Like that, Corbyn Besson. Hope you enjoyed it. Play tuned.